In this video, I'll teach you how to automatically back up each of your Microsoft project files. Have you ever run into a situation where one of your Microsoft project files got corrupted and you couldn't open it anymore and you lost all of that work? Gee, what a mess. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to configure Microsoft Project so that it would automatically back up each of your files to prevent another disaster? Well, in this video, I'll teach you how to do that very thing. So let's get started. Before I show you how to back up your projects, take a look with me at my Production Projects folder. Notice that in this folder I only have one file currently. It's the Drone AI for Wildfire Detection.mpp file. All right, now let's go to Microsoft Project, and here is how to begin backing up all of your projects automatically. Open any project, then click File, Save As in the Backstage. Select the folder where you want to save your project and its backups. In the Save As dialog, click the Tools Pick List button in the lower right corner of the dialog and select General Options on the pick list. In the Save Options dialog, select the checkbox called Always Create Backup. Boy, I think you'll agree with me, that option is really well hidden. Click the OK button, then go ahead and click the Save button. When prompted to replace your existing project, simply click the Yes button. Now, let's go back and look at the Production Projects folder. There it is. Microsoft Project automatically created a new backup file, Drone AI for Wildfire Detection.bak. All right, let's go back to Microsoft Project. I'm going to close this file. And I want you to pretend with me that the next time I attempt to open that AI for Wildfire Detection project, let's pretend that Microsoft Project cannot open the file because the file is damaged. So how can we open the backup? Here's how. Navigate to the Backstage and click the Open tab. Then click the Browse tab and navigate to the folder where you've saved the project and its backup. In the Open dialog, click the File Type Pick List button in the lower right corner and choose All Files. That will let you see the BAK files. Select the backup file and click the Open button, and there's a fresh copy from the backup. At this point, you'll probably want to click File, Save As, and save a fresh copy of your project. I'd recommend using a slightly different name.
Sure, yeah, that makes sense.
So that's how to back up your projects automatically in Microsoft Project. Now you know how to evade disaster by configuring Microsoft Project to automatically back up each of your project files. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking it, sharing it, subscribing to my channel, and clicking the notification button. If you have a question or comment, please drop it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.